The oceans may be the last truly unexplored and mysterious place on Earth. They cover more than 70% of our planet. Yet we know more about the surface of the moon than the depths beneath our own seas. Most oceans are about 3.7 kilometers deep, but in one place, the depth goes beyond 11 kilometers. This place is the Mariana Trench, a world of freezing darkness, crushing pressure, and secrets we may not be ready to face. But do we really know what lies down there? How was this place discovered? Why was it once connected to Cold War superpowers? And what about the mysterious sounds that were recorded coming from its depths? In this video, we'll search for answers and descend together into the darkest place on Earth. The birth of the deepest place on the planet around 180 million years ago, during the age of dinosaurs, a silent battle began deep beneath the oceans. Two massive tectonic plates slowly collided. The Pacific plate slid beneath the Philippine plate, dragging the ocean floor downward. Over millions of years, this unstoppable force created the deepest scar on our planet, the Mariana Trench. It stretches over 2,550 kilometers across the Pacific Ocean. Its deepest point reaches nearly 11,000 meters. To put that into perspective, Mount Everest could fit inside it and still wouldn't reach the surface. Chapter 1. The First Discovery. In 1872, a British research ship called HMS Challenger set out on one of the greatest ocean expeditions in history. Its mission was simple but ambitious: map the ocean floor. The crew measured depth using a long rope with a heavy iron weight attached. When the weight hit the seabed, the depth was recorded. Near Guam Island, they lowered the rope. It kept going and going. 3,000 meters, 5,000 meters, 7,000 meters. Minutes passed. The rope still hadn't reached the bottom. Finally, it stopped. The reading shocked everyone on board. Over 8,000 meters deep. They had discovered something unlike anything seen before, a seemingly bottomless abyss beneath the sea. Without realizing it, they had just made history. Chapter 2. Seeing the Abyss. Decades later, in 1951, a new technology changed everything: sonar. By sending sound waves into the water and listening for echoes, scientists could finally see the ocean floor. Using sonar, HMS Challenger 2 confirmed the deepest point on Earth, approximately 10,900 meters. This location was named Challenger Deep. If the Empire State Building were placed here, it would disappear completely. Naturally, humanity had only one question left: can we go there? Chapter 3. Journey to the bottom. The problem was pressure. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, the equivalent of having 3 Eiffel Towers crushing your body. To survive this, Swiss scientist Auguste Piccard designed a special deep-sea vessel called a bathyscaphe. After years of development, the U.S. Navy modified one called Trieste, reinforcing it to survive depths of 11,000 meters. On January 23, 1960, history was made. Jacques Piccard and U.S. Navy officer Don Walsh began their descent. After hours of sinking into darkness, they reached the bottom, a place no human had ever seen before. There, in the silence, they observed something unexpected. A flat white fish moving along the seabed. According to science, this shouldn't have been possible, and yet it was there. Chapter 4. The Mysterious Sounds. In 1997, scientists recorded a massive underwater sound unlike anything ever heard before. It was detected from over 3,000 kilometers away. They called it the bloop. It didn't match earthquakes, it didn't match waves, and it didn't match any known animal. Some believed it could be a gigantic unknown creature. Others said it was a rare geological event. No definitive answer was ever found. Then, in 2014, another strange sound was recorded near the Mariana Trench. After months of analysis, it was identified as a rare call from a minke whale. But one question remains. Why were these sounds only heard around the Mariana Trench? The final mystery. The deepest parts of the ocean are known as the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the god of the underworld. It's dark, cold, and almost completely unexplored. Perhaps one day technology will allow us to uncover what truly lies hidden there. Until then, the Mariana Trench remains one of the greatest mysteries on Earth.